When you hear someone mention KFC, you mostly picture in your mind the fried chicken brand or maybe even a picture of Colonel Sanders and a signature suit. But that's about to change, at least for the gaming community. Never could one have imagined that it would be KFC, the American fast food chain, to come up with a game console to take on the might of the PlayStation and the Xbox. Yes, you heard that right. KFC has finally introduced its gaming console called KF Console. The KF console, created in partnership with PC and hardware manufacturer Coolmaster, is a gaming console that comes bundled with a built-in chicken chamber capable of heating the chicken while you're busy taking down your opponents in an online PvP. This is the world's first feature for a gaming console. Many of us thought it to be some kind of a practical joke, but I mean, this isn't April 2. The shape of the KF console is fundamentally the same as the famous KFC chicken container, but it has got matte dark and red tones. The KF console has been designed to keep your food of any kind warm, thanks to a separate chamber over the console that uses the heat that is extracted by the custom built-in cooling system. So while the console is heating by running high definition games, it is simultaneously channeling the hot air into the heating chamber where the food is placed. This not only keeps the food warm but also helps cool the console faster. We know this sounds nothing more than a gimmicky publicity stunt, but the fact that this console is ready to support games like Cyberpunk 2077 is a mind blowing fact, or reality we can say. Besides the chicken, the KF console houses top-end gaming hardware like an NC100 master case and is controlled by the Intel NUC9 outrageous figuring pack, two Seagate Barracuda 1TB NVMe SSD cards, and illustrations given by ASUS. With this kind of hardware, you'll easily be able to run games like GTA 5, Crysis, and even Cyberpunk 2077. The console is evidently VR prepared and can offer interactivity up to 240 frames per second, upholds 4K display, and beam following tech. At the moment, we are not sure when a commercial unit of the KS console will be available in the market. Coolmaster has set up a dedicated website for the console which talks about some of the details of the product and some hardware specifications. We link it below if you're interested. But now, at this point where we are headed to, we really cannot expect or think about folks at McDonald's or Starbucks launching their consoles or even them entering the tech world. But all this is going bonkers, right? We have Sony's PlayStation and Microsoft's Xbox systems in one place and KFC as a leading fast food chain, but now they have successfully entered the console wars which was once fought by Sega and Nintendo back in 1990s, and both being giant influencers in the game industry. 2020 in terms of tech is being very interesting and innovative. No second thoughts on that. So that's all folks. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.